This tutorial will show how to use the User Overrides for Quizzes feature in Moodle 2. This will include how to edit open-close dates, time allowed, or passwords for students in a course. To access the User Overrides menu for a quiz, first navigate to the course main page. From there, select the quiz you would like to override settings for. On the quiz page, locate the settings block and select User Overrides. The Add User Override button will appear. Select this button to continue. The Edit Override page will appear. From this page, select the user whose quiz you would like to make overrides. You can use the search bar at the top of the menu to search for a name if you have a large class. Once you have selected the user from the top menu, you can then set the user's override settings. You can require a password for the user. If a password is specified, a student must enter it in order to attempt the quiz. Next is the open and close dates. From here, you can set specific open and close dates for that individual student. First, check the Enable box and then enter the dates needed. You can also set a time limit specific for the student. This is ideal for students registered with your school's Disability Services Department who need additional time on test. When time limits are enabled, a floating timer countdown window is shown to the student for the duration of the test. When the time limit is up, the quiz is submitted automatically, regardless of how many questions have been answered. The final option is the Attempts Allowed setting. Here, you can set how many attempts are allowed for the student. Once you have entered in the needed settings, select either Save or Save and enter another override. To revert the quiz to its original default settings, select the Revert to Quiz Defaults button at the bottom of the page. You can edit existing user overrides from the User Overrides page. Select User Overrides from the settings block when on the quiz page. The User Overrides page will list any existing overrides you have set. From here, you can edit the override, duplicate, or delete the existing override. This concludes the User Overrides tutorial.